Today we're making dessert waffles. The first thing we're going to need is some vanilla ice cream. So today I'm going to use our ice cream maker to make this simple recipe for basic vanilla. The ingredients you'll need are 1/2 cup sugar, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of whole milk. You're going to combine all of the ingredients into the classic batter bowl. Mix for about a minute until the sugar dissolves. Then you're going to want to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes just so it gets really cold. Once it's ready, pour into the ice cream maker and set the timer for 20 minutes. This recipe will serve 8. Your prep time is about 30 minutes and your total time is an hour. The mixture should be soft serve when done. When it's finished, just put the silicone lid on top and store it for later. Now it's time to make your waffles. Mix up your batter and preheat your Deluxe electric griddle and grill on the griddle setting. Be sure and spray or brush the plates with oil to keep it from sticking. It's so fun and easy to use. Just pour on your batter and make your waffles. I honestly had not heard of such things until my daughter moved back home after college, and she enlightened me on this amazing idea. So today, we're making a few of her favorites. Now, with your ice cream ready and your waffles made, it's time to get creative. First up is the peanut butter and strawberry jelly waffle, which, by the way, I made in our Deluxe cooking blender, so check out my other video for that recipe. You're going to spread peanut butter on one side and jelly on the other and simply fold and go. Second, we have our strawberry waffle with jelly spread on the bottom, vanilla ice cream, and topped with chocolate syrup. This one is my personal favorite. Third is a very simple chocolate and vanilla waffle, just a big scoop of vanilla with chocolate syrup on top. And fourth, for our traditionalist, who says waffles aren't just for breakfast? This is a great way to express some creativity in the kitchen. Enjoy! Now go make some waffles.